Hello YouTube. Today I am unboxing the Ovente electric kettle 1.7. It's an electric kettle. I needed one. Okay, I got this from eBay, but it had mad raving reviews on Amazon. So I always check Amazon reviews before purchasing anything. The reason why I purchased it on eBay because it would have cost me extra for shipping on Amazon because I don't have a Prime account. Hopefully, we'll change that one day. Anyway, here's the manual. Lid. Oh, and the plugs. I have no idea what this is. And here is the kettle itself, nothing else in the box. So it says cord-free serving, removable washable filter, automatic shutoff, boil dry protection, boils water quickly, concealed healing element for easy cleanup, non-slip 360 rotary base. From what I read on Amazon, it boils your water in a couple of minutes, and I've also read on the reviews that to to test it a couple of times before using it, so it'll remove the smell. But I didn't see any smell. I didn't smell anything. It just smells like brand new appliance. It is plastic, and according to the reviews, this changes into colors. So here's the base. I thought it was a lid, but it's a base, which is perfect. So you sit it on a base. That's the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. And it plugs up. Oh, and the other thing I got today is this mug warmer. I also got it from eBay. It was only a few dollars. I think this was like $16. This is like maybe $6 or so. But it fits perfect because it's a USB powered. So I have it plugged up to my USB charger here. Just perfect. It will just sit on a desk, and it will keep my coffee warm while I'm surfing the internet and uploading some more YouTube videos. And I will do further reviews on this and have it listed on my blog. So if you guys are interested, it is available on eBay and Amazon. Remember, it is Ovente electric kettle. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a good holiday and Merry Christmas.